Deep Charts is making waves in the data visualization space, but is it really worth your time? With so many options out there, let's dive into what Deep Charts offers and see if it lives up to the hype. Deep Charts is a platform designed for those who need to visualize complex data in a way that's both intuitive and insightful. At its core, it offers a range of customizable chart types that cater to various data sets, from simple line graphs to more intricate heat maps. The user interface is quite sleek, making it relatively easy to navigate, even for those who might not be data experts. One standout feature is its ability to integrate with various data sources, allowing users to pull in real-time data seamlessly. However, while the integration aspect is impressive, it does raise some questions about the platform's performance during heavy data loads. It seems like Deep Charts is aimed at businesses and analysts who need quick insights, but some areas still feel a bit vague, particularly around pricing and support options. If you're looking for something straightforward, this could be a solid choice, but it's worth digging a little deeper into its capabilities. When it comes to strengths, Deep Charts shines with its user-friendly interface and a solid variety of chart options. The real-time data integration is a big plus for those needing immediate insights. On the flip side, there are a few concerns. For one, the documentation isn't as robust as it could be, which might leave some users feeling a bit lost, especially when trying to troubleshoot issues. Plus, without clear pricing information up front, potential users might hesitate to commit. This platform may not suit casual users or those who need more advanced analytical features. However, for businesses focused on visualizing data quickly, Deep Charts could be a valuable tool. In summary, Deep Charts has a lot to offer, especially for businesses looking for quick and effective data visualization. If you value ease of use and real-time data integration, it's worth considering. However, if you need advanced features or clear pricing, you might want to explore other options before making a decision.